Fish Festival Odisha 2013 was organized in Odisha as per kind instruction of Commissioner cum Secretary, Fisheries and ARD Department, Bhubaneswar. Two meetings were held at directorate level and one preparatory meeting was held in the office chamber of Commissioner cum Secretary, FARD at Bhubaneswar. It was decided to organize the Fish Festival Odisha 2013 along with Krishi Mahotsav 2013 at Janata Maidan, Bhubaneswar from 19th to 22nd March 2013. The Krishi Mahotsav was inaugurated by Sri Naveen Patnaik, Honorable Chief Minister of Odisha, where Sri Devi Prasad Mishra, Honorable Minister for Agriculture, Fisheries and ARD, Sri S. Tarai, Honorable Minister for Transport and Commerce, Dr. Prasanna Patasahani, Honorable MP, Bhubaneswar, and all the three Honorable MLAs of Bhubaneswar attended. Besides that, Sri Ranglal Jamuda, Principal Secretary Agriculture, Sri Satyabrata Sahu, Commissioner cum Secretary Fisheries and ARD and Director Agriculture, Horticulture, AH and VS Fisheries attended the function. One compendium of success stories named Jivan Dhara and one souvenir named Smaranika, both in Odia, was inaugurated by Honorable Chief Minister of Odisha on 19th March 2013 at 6 p.m. Accordingly, an exhibition was organized by taking 30 stalls at Janata Maidan from 19th to 22nd March 2013. District Fisheries Officer Cuttack was instructed with the responsibility. Exhibition were organizations like NFDP, CMFRI, SIFA, Colleges of Fisheries, Fish Federation, Fish Corporation Federation, ICZMP, PVS Group, Exide Group, Strait Central Fishermen Society, Odisha Pisciculture Development Corporation and UNI President exhibited their products' achievements. Further, organizations and hotels like Swasti Premium, Hotel Vids, Odisha Tourism Development Corporation, the managers, Ruchi, SHG Groups, fishermen cooperatives also sold items exclusively on fish and other aqua products. The exhibition was visited by aqua farmers, general public, students and families. Sri Devi Prasad Mishra, Honorable Minister for Agriculture, Fisheries and ARD, Sri Satyabrata Sahu, Commissioner cum Secretary, Fisheries and ARD and Director of Fisheries also visited the stalls. During the Fish Festival, one Fish Farmers Meet was organized for 2 days at Image Conference Hall, Bhubaneswar. The first day, that is 28th March 2013, was dedicated for inland fisheries and the second day, that is 21st March 2013, was dedicated for marine and brackish water farmers. All senior officers of the Directorate and Journal DDFS attended the farmers' meet. A set of bag, books and journals, publications, leaflets, pad and pen was presented to the participants. Tea, snacks, tiffin and lunch was arranged at the venue. The first day program was attended by freshwater farmers from all districts with district fisheries officers and assistant fisheries officers. The program was inaugurated by P. Krishna Mohan, Director of Fisheries, Sri Bimal Kumar Mishra, Managing Director, FiscoFed, New Delhi. Mr. Salim Sultan, Executive Director, NFTB at Hyderabad. Different programs and schemes in fisheries by Sri Devanand Vanja, Deputy Director, INE. Best Management Practice in Aquaculture by Dr. Rajendra Kumar Rath, Professor from College of Fisheries, Rangelunda. New Possibilities in Freshwater Aquaculture by Dr. Padmanav Rathroy, Principal Scientist, SIFA, Kausalyagang. Bank loans for aquaculture in Odisha by Mr. Sisir Parmanik, Nabad, Bhubaneswar. After walking, lunch interaction with farmers was done on best achievements and problems in aquaculture and bank loan. Total 22 farmers participated and asked questions. The program was anchored by Satish Ranjan Das, Production Officer of the Directorate. Second day was attended by farmers from Brackish-Water and marine fishermen of Odisha. Different schemes and programs in marine fisheries by Mr. P.R. Raut, Deputy Director, Marine. Scopes and schemes in Brackish-Water sector by P.K. Behera, Deputy Director, Brackish-Water. Crab culture possibilities in Odisha by Dr. Damodar Satpathy, Director, College of Fisheries, Rangelunda. Diversification in mariculture by Dr. Rita Jayasankar, Senior Scientist, CMFRI. Culture of L. Vinami, What Shall We Do? Mr. Uday Shankar Sethi, Senior Consultant, Brackish-Water, Gujarat, National Consultant, Iran. New Possibilities in L. Vinami and Feed Utilization by Mr. Sairam Panda, UNI President. Preparation and popularization of value-added products in fisheries, Dr. Ravi Narayan Mishra, Professor of College of Fisheries, Rangelunda. After the walking, lunch interaction was done with fishermen, farmers and representatives of fishermen cooperatives and organizations. 18 questions and problems were discussed. District Fisheries Officer Kausalyagang arranged the meet and program were anchored by Sri Satish Ranjan Das, Production Officer.